come to the elevators at some building on Madison. Ooh. 200 North Lasalle. Wow. Oh, well, they're locked off. Let's see if this one goes anywhere. Oh, wow, yeah, these are compass. Look at this. Man, oh, are these going to be locked off? Whoa, these are ThyssenKrupp. These are ThyssenKrupp destination dispatch. Oh, yes, we're going somewhere. I've never been on a ThyssenKrupp destination dispatch. Oh, are we gonna get a full ride up? Oh, god damn it. It's gonna open. Oh, we are going up again. This is weird, just stopped. Oh, here we are, 20th floor.
22nd floor.
Sorry.
Sorry about that.
No, you're good. Yeah, these are ThyssenKrupp. Look at this. I'm gonna get a still picture of that. Wow, these are cool. A ThyssenKrupp destination dispatch. Or dispatch. That's pretty cool. Wow. Elevator 11. These are cool. Is there a service elevator? Ooh, there is. Let's see. Oh, looks like it might be over there. You know what? Let's see if there's a service car. Damn it. Ah, crap. All right, let's go to the lobby. Oh, these are cool. At least we got to take some sort of a ride on these. All right, here we go. Look at these cabs. These are nice. All right, there's your very few buttons. Boy, these are cool. Was not expecting to find ThyssenKrupps in here. Yeah, these are definitely ThyssenKrupp because they change halfway through the express zone. Interesting find. How goes it? That was a stupid face. All right, let's see. All right, what a beautiful lobby. Look at this elevator lobby. Here we go. Oh, the service car might be in here. Here we go. Oh, wow. Are you sure? Ah, fuck. It's locked off. Fail. How's it going? Pretty good? Yeah, we're going. Oh, you have to pressure floor out here. You have to pressure floor out here.
Oh, I'm already taking care of it.
Oh, okay. What is it? You have a good one.
You too. But it's not real close to the
Visitors, please check any security. I didn't do that. All right. Look at this lobby, though. This is beautiful. Wow. All right, and that is it.